Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to deposit money into your Sofi Invest account. If you don't have a Sofi account, we will put the link in the description below for you to sign up, and get $25 after signing up and adding at least $10 to your account within 5 days. However, if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Log In. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the Invest tab. You will see icons at the upper right part of the screen. Click on the icon that says Add Cash. Now, enter the amount you wish to deposit. Then select the frequency, and the account from which you'll pull out the money. After entering the required information, click on the Review button. Review the following information. After reviewing and if everything looks good, click on the Add Money button. That's how you deposit money into your Sofi Invest account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.